This is the Gandhara Culture Festival, and we are inside in the information desk and history of Oregon, and also उत्थे खलते रहे सन. Distinguished guests.
थोड़ा रास्ता दे देना. मेन को रास्ता दे देना.
This is the Faisal Karim Kundi, KPK governor, and Ata Tarar is here. KPK governor Faisal Karim Kundi and Ata Tarar. And Ata Tarar and senior journalist Rana Javed. He's with Ata Tarar and Faisal Karim Kundi. They are inside going.
राम से पीछे राम है. देखो आज एग्जीबिशन
Exhibition area. Faisal Karim Kundi, KPK governor, and Ata Tarar here visiting there. And the foreign visitors, excellencies, with the Ata Tarar.
I'm so happy to know you're from Gaul, one of the cities I love. I went for 2 weeks, and I went to Pinnawala for the elephant orphanage also. But I was based for 2 days in Minnesota, and for 4 days in Hikkaduwa. Hikkaduwa was beautiful. Very serene, very quiet, very secluded.
This is the Gandhara
I went almost 7 years back.
exhibition which held in PNCA, Islamabad, 29 January 2025.
Most definitely. I've been longing to go back there. Most beautiful beaches and such a beautiful place. And that drive from Hikkaduwa down to Gaul. Not yet. I even went to Sigiriya. So I climbed the Sigiriya rock. So, but I've yet to go up to the tea area where you grow all the tea leaves and all. So I haven't been there yet.
This is the stall of Punjab Small Industry.
This is the handmade handicrafts.
Yeah, these
Keep
are
moving along. This is supported by the
Introducing
government
the
by giving subsidies. This is the Punjab Small Industries Corporation.
Punjab
These
traditional
are made with subsidies, and
Coats.
surrounding people are helped to make these handicrafts.
Yeah, please move.
The government keeps a part of the budget for the Small Industries Corporation, and through that corporation, the deserving people are identified, and they are given a subsidy to make these handicrafts. People who have the skill and art of making. These are chests. ये marble के बने हुए हैं?
and this is the marble pots.
Stone के.
चल ओके.
You should bring her next time. We would love to play home.
Senior journalist Rana Javed and Mahmood Parr, or the Faisal Karim Kundi KPK governor. Coming to venue,
अच्छा ठीक आगे वाला थोड़ा सा छोड़ दे प्लीज
the guests are going to the venue.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem of Pakistan.
National anthem is public and
Excuse me, sir. बस ठीक है यहीं से
assisting the guests are sitting
तुम्हारा रास्ता बंद है
now.
बनी होगी सर. Excuse me. दीजिए जरा. Thank you. ठीक है. Thank you.
And history flourished. Today, we not only honor this legacy, but also explore its role in driving eco-friendly tourism.
The main goal of the event is to emphasize the importance of preserving the Gandhara's heritage and civilization. By doing so, we aim to attract and promote tourism in Pakistan, helping to boost the country's economy. We sincerely thank all our partners and collaborators who made this possible.
Ladies and gentlemen, to formally welcome you to this event, I would like to invite Mr. Kashif Irshad, Advisor, National Heritage and Culture Division, a man behind this event. Please put your hands together.
It's an honor for me
This
to be
is Mr.
here
Kashif,
and to lead
advisor of
this event under the guidance of National Heritage and Culture Division, specifically the Minister for National Heritage and Culture, Pakistan, according to the vision of the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mr. Mian Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif. I welcome you all and I thank you for your participation here. Thank you very much.
Mr. Nadir Bridge of
Excellencies, Honorable Ministers, Honorable Governor, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I feel extreme pleasure in welcoming you all to the collaboration with National Heritage and Cultural Division and our partner organization Kurum Welfare Home.
This film takes us through the ancient spaces of Texila, the breathtaking views of Takhbai, and the vibrant Buddhist heritage of Swat Valley. A visual journey through Pakistan's rich past and its potential for sustainable tourism.
Please have a look. Exactly. Please have a look at the heritage through sustainable eco-tourism. In this historic initiative, we are pleased to witness the signing of MOU between 4 key stakeholders.
First of all, I would like to invite CEO Kurum Welfare Homes, Muhammad Kamran, to please come on stage. DG PNCA Muhammad Ayub Jalali Sahab to please join him.
Please welcome MD PTDC Rana Aftab. Next, I would like to invite CEO PPEF Mr. Nadir Gul on stage.
This collaboration aims to preserve heritage sites, create sustainable tourism models, and empower local communities while ensuring that our rich history remains a vital part of Pakistan's global identity.
This partnership is a proof to our shared responsibility in protecting, promoting, and passing on our heritage to future generations. Let's give a huge round of applause for this historic commitment.
Four-party MOU. Dancing of Gandhara.
Influence took roots, a classical form began to emerge, a semblance of the later known Bharatnatyam.
Now the Buddhist dance.
Variants from the Central Asia.
The Kathak dance.
A strong imprint on the dance was to be left by the Muslim artists, and they made great contributions to the development of the Kathak. The journey from expression of human sentiment.
From the Punjab side.
And Margila Valley still enjoy. They thank their creator, and so the Odyssey of Taxila.
Classical sitar and Punjab folk. Siddhi on Bansuri, Siddhi folk. Bansuri on Babul Shire, Shirabi Malle, Oshmalle Balochi folk on Bansuri. Pashto song. Damadam Mas Khalandar on Bansuri. The Balochi folk dance. the Pakistan. तू भी पाकिस्तान और मैं भी पाकिस्तान. This is the song of unity, united, being a one nation. This is the venue of dinner, Gandhara events. You can see that people are sitting here. During the waiting of gala dinner, the music is going on now after half an quarter hour. Please, you are lawyer. Please tell us, how do you find this event today, Gandhara? So tell us in English.
Sure. So I think the event was really informative for someone who does not know much about Gandhara civilization, and also the event was organized by the Prime Minister Youth Program and for the inauguration of the National Youth Council along with other international delegates as well. So I think it was really informative for someone who is coming to Pakistan for the first time and to see the heritage and the history of Pakistan, of what kind of history and heritage do we possess. So I think it was a lot of entertainment, a lot of fun, and we all had a great night.